send a direct message in Slack? Want to DM a person or a colleague personally? Then you can do it in Workspace also. You don't have to get their WhatsApp number or their Instagram ID for it. How you can do it is by simply going to your DMs. Over here, you can see at the bottom near the home, you can see DMs. Simply tap on there. Here you can see add teammates. Slack is better when everyone is here. Add your team and get the conversation started. So simply tap on add team or tap on the plus icon. Here you can see huddle channels and messages, but you want a person only. So simply tap on add team. Here you can see add from contact, add by email, share a link. You can share a link and your friend or your colleague can join or add by email. Simply tap on add by email, enter their email, tap on send, then after